Introducing new cutoff holders with high-pressure coolant for small parts machining. The KTKF JCT holders provide excellent chip evacuation, even with pressures ranging from 1 to 3 megapascals. It finely breaks chips into small pieces from the rake side of the insert, while coolant is discharged from 2 different directions. A third coolant stream is directed over the relief surface of the insert to produce an excellent cooling action to minimize wear for stable machining. Use Kyocera's KTKF JCT holders to drastically improve various small parts cutoff applications.